Ok, c'est reparti. Alors que, eh bien, l'heure est grave. L'heure est grave, nous allons à l'enterrement de Jackie. Donc là c'est la déprime, hein. Sortez les pots de Häagen-Dazs, les bières triples, ce que vous voulez. Là, va falloir faire passer la pilule. Ça va être un moment un peu délicat. Donc, je vous préviens. Moi, je suis moi-même préparé. Bon, en vrai, je me souviens pas des détails. Je me souviens que ça, voilà, ça tape un peu sur le palpitant, quoi. C'est un moment un peu. Je vous avais parlé des moments de poésie. Bon, moi, ça va être un moment de poésie. Donc, voilà, on se prépare, on s'assoit, on se met bien. Petite bière, petite clope. Attendez, parce que avant ça, il y a la route quand même. Et là, tout est possible. Parce qu'on est à 2 km, je crois. Et 2 km dans ce jeu, attention. Parce que là, vous vous dites 2 km, 2 km quand on veut, 2 km. Pas dans ce jeu. 2 km, c'est un trajet. Vous allez voir. C'est parti. Par contre, préparez-vous aussi psychologiquement. Là, je vais sortir du menu pause. C'est radio heavy metal, hein. Donc, voilà. Je vous rappelle qu'on est tous ensemble dans cette galère. C'est parti. Ah, je vous avais prévenu. Non mais ne vous plaignez pas, moi j'ai 2 km à faire avec ça, hein. Et un pot de yaourt. Attends, je vois rien. Ah, bonjour. Mais c'est le soleil. Il n'y a pas de pare-soleil quand on est en vue extérieure. Donc, je passe. Vous voyez? Aucun problème. Vous vous inquiétez pour rien, c'est terrible. Et je vous assure qu'en plus en tant que conducteur c'est stressant. Arrêtez de faire ça. Dino Dinovic. C'est un joueur du... Bonjour. D'accord. Va. Je sais. Oula. Ça passe. D'accord, j'ai pas du tout écouté ce que vous avez dit, mais je pense que... je vais maintenant faire ce que font les gens intelligents, je vais lire un SMS au volant. Alors. Passer à mon club... D'accord, tu m'intéresses pas, merci. Mais en fait, en plus de pas m'intéresser, non seulement il me fait rater mes virages, mais en plus il commence sérieusement à me gaver. Qu'est-ce que t'arrives toi? Il me vend des voitures, mais va te faire foutre. Dino, t'as pas mieux à faire de ta vie? Oh et voilà. Ah par contre, c'est Papy. Papy. Attendez, je me gare. Oh Papy. Ah mais attendez, là vous m'envoyez Papy, l'enterrement de Jackie, comment on va faire? Passe me voir dans ma petite paroisse quand tu auras un moment, on pourra discuter entre amis. Oh Papy, c'est vraiment un prêtre. Pardon. Bon, d'abord les funérailles de Jackie, après on verra. Oui, alors croyez-le pas, là j'accélère au maximum, hein. C'est pas de ma faute. C'est pas du tout pour vous faire perdre du temps, hein. Ou pour en gagner. Je suis vraiment au max là. C'est la puissance de ce véhicule. C'est un peu le Kev Adams des véhicules. C'est-à-dire que même au maximum c'est décevant. Vous ne tournez pas, d'accord? Bah, moi je tourne. Bonjour. Ah, lui il tourne, oui. C'est beaucoup plus simple. Mais pourquoi vous vous énervez, madame? Ça sert à rien. C'est pas constructif. J'ai jamais aimé ce feu. Et ce poteau non plus. Ils m'ont toujours agacé, vous voyez? Comme quoi dans la vie tout se paye un jour. Oui, le virage. Je me suis fait... Je vais être honnête. J'aime pas du tout ce morceau, je me suis fait niquer par le break de batterie. Putain mais lui aussi il me vend des voitures, arrêtez de me vendre des voitures. Je me gare. Je suis garé. Ok. Ok, donc après cet instant métal, voilà, accrochez-vous les enfants. C'est l'instant de verser des larmes viriles. Hein. Les funérailles de Jackie. C'est parti. Rappelez-vous qu'on affronte ça ensemble. En gros, j'affronte ça tout seul. Bonjour.
Maybe we scooch it, put it up against the wall.
V, nice to see you.
Oh, mais y a Pepe.
Oye, sit. Sit. You want a beer?
Oh là là, vous voyez cet accueil? Vous voyez, c'est ça qu'on connaît les gens bien.
Wouldn't mind one.
Ah oui, d'accord. On part pas sur un demi. Eh ben,
A lot of time has passed. How you been?
ça ira mieux dans 2 secondes. Hanging on, you know.
Hanging in there somehow.
Somehow. You could have come over for dinner. Nuestra casa es tu casa.
Ouais, mais c'est-à-dire que...
But okay. We put it behind
Ah, mais la
us.
culpabilité, madame, aussi.
I am in the middle of preparing an ofrenda. There is still so much to take care of.
The fuck.
An ofrenda. What's that exactly?
Friends and family. We gather to celebrate the departed, our memories of them. And we bring things they loved in life and might need in the after.
Sure, some beer'd be at the top of Jackie's list.
And there will be beer.
Yeah. Vous voyez pourquoi il était bro? On comprend les vraies choses. Bah oui, laissez-moi vous aider.
Could help you with that.
Gracias, mi cielo. But I will manage. It's enough you come to say goodbye.
Oh là là, mais en plus, mais oh, je suis deg.
Want to take part in the ceremony, but want to do it the right way, in line with tradition. But something I'd lay by his casket that'd do justice to his memory. I don't got anything.
But your heart is in the right place, mi niño. Don't worry. He's symbolic. Look for something in his garage. His past is all there.
Son garage.
Jackie had a garage?
He used it for his motorcycle, mostly. But not so long ago he moved in. You'll find something there, I'm sure.
You won't mind me digging through his stuff?
No, mijo. He's gone, and funerals are for the living, not the dead. Toma, take the key.
Oh madame. C'est trop d'honneur.
Thanks, Mama Wells.
Don't mention it, V. You have respect. I admire that.
Oh
The
là
garage is
là.
on Republic. Ahí te veo.
J'adore ma mère, mais j'aimerais beaucoup qu'elle se rencontre, ces 2 femmes. C'est incroyable. Si un jour elle voit ça, putain. Hein, c'est possible, c'est sur internet. Hein, après, il y a une part de contrôle que je n'ai plus. Hein. Ah bah tiens, Misty,
Ivy.
c'est toi Blade Runner? Bah oui, non, mais elle va pas rester assise avec Jackie. Pardon.
You here alone? This is not exactly the safest neighborhood in town, Misty.
I used to sit on the stairs when I was 10. 26 now. If anything was gonna happen, it wouldn't have taken this long.
What are you doing here?
Sitting and waiting. And yeah, waiting for him. Though I know he's never coming back.
Ah,
Lately, I've just been coming here to sit. An hour. Sometimes 2. I know it's gunk, it's just... I miss him. A lot. Wanna sit? Catch up?
Hardly gonk at all. Just, well, human.
I guess.
c'est vrai d'ailleurs, ça faisait combien de temps votre truc là?
You know each other long?
Half our lives. Grew up in the same streets. Saw each other a lot, but just never got together.
Till a year back.
Yeah. Best darn year of my life.
Jack talked about you a lot. Always saying how much you meant to him.
Did he really say that? I bet he used different words.
Maybe. But that's what he meant. I really believe that.
You actually got to know him. The real Jackie. Everybody else thought he was a goofball with a rough-hewn face and an edge. But they're wrong.
Il était bien plus que ça.
What did you see in him?
Let me tell you what he told me once. Told me he'd take a bullet for me. In an instant. Even if it'd kill him.
Spoken like a true Haywood boy.
A man. With dreams, ambitions. Only thing they cost him was his life. There's a huge chunk of his past in there.
How come you're outside?
I don't have the key.
Jackie never gave you a set. You two didn't get that far?
He offered, but I wanted him to have his own space. Just his
Oh là
own.
là, mais quelle femme incroyable. Pardon. Oh là là, mais vous imaginez le couple Jackie et cette gonzesse. Mais mon Dieu. Pardon.
Mama Wells is having a send-off for Jackie. I need to find something he really cared about.
Ah, life goals, hein, 100%.
You mind giving me a hand?
I'm not sure I should go in there, V.
Still too soon?
No, it's not that. Mama Wells and I aren't exactly on the best terms.
Oh?
She wouldn't want me touching any of his things, disturbing the memory. That I know.
Jackie would want you here. That's more important. Come on.
Ah, c'est pas faux.
It's a fine piece of metal in mechanics. He was so psyched. Guess no man cave's complete without some of those, huh?
He said they're collectibles. They don't print them anymore.
That's definitely why they're up there. Yeah. Love to poke around engines.
He was 15 when he first got on a bike.
Knowing him, it's a miracle he never wiped out. Gotta be hanging here since 2020. Jackie loved to pump iron, didn't he?
He called it his form of meditation. He used to say, barbells are the best listeners. They understand all your problems and never give you gonk advice.
Quel homme sale.
Still full.
His favorite. Strategic reserve. No touching.
How come?
¿Por qué no puedes tocar una reserva estratégica, va?
Oh là là.
Basketball signed by Dante Gonzalez.
He was from Haywood, too. Everyone here shot hoops. Dante ran circles around him. I think he might have been the first kid to ditch the Valentinos.
Like Jackie.
They both wanted more out of life. Dante's captain of the NC Blackouts now.
For whom the bell tolls. Ernest Hemingway.
Jack read it a dozen times. Always right before a big job. He said the guy who wrote it was tougher than Morgan Blackhand.
Have you read it? Is it any good?
I never got the chance.
It'd be a good tribute for the Ofrenda, though.
On a tout vu. Scanner et fouiller.
Jack. Pure and simple.
Well, you got something for your Ofrenda. But we could look around a little more.
Bah oui, c'est ça. Ah, la pièce là.
Locked. I wonder what's in there.
That's his lair. Slept there. He must have had a different key. Let's look around. Might be tucked away somewhere.
Il y aurait une clé planquée quelque part. Ah bah là.
Found it.
Attendez, parce qu'il s'agit quand même de choisir l'offrande. On va
This'll
prendre
be
un max de trucs.
fitting.
Non mais pour l'instant je suis plus sur le bouquin quand même. Le bouquin c'est plus stylé, hein. C'est plus... Ok, ah, pardon, j'arrête de vous faire attendre.
Oh, Jackie.
That a mandala?
It's a long story.
The fuck.
Hey, you alright?
I'm so much better than all right.
D'accord.
I once told Jackie he should sweep all the dark energy out of this place. A sand mandala'd do the trick, for example. He told me that out of sand he'd build a castle, a home, the Wells family hideout, stronghold, something.
I guess you made a bigger impression than you thought.
I guess I did.
Non, non, on va pas faire le connard quand même.
It's beautiful.
It's hideous. But it's also the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Oh là là.
An aquarium.
Used to be tacos.
And Taco was...
His fish. A dwarf shark. Like, mini.
Sounds like a mighty expensive fish.
Oh, I don't think he bought it.
D'accord. Il volait des poissons.
Jackie's favorite tequila. Huh, still sealed.
It's his lucky charm. One of the first bottles ever made by Jesus de Abajo.
The founder of Sensan Tequila.
Only 100 of them left in the world. All owned by the 1%.
How'd Jackie get this one?
Some shriveled abuela in Mexico sold it to him. Told him de Abajo had stolen her recipe.
Ça peut servir.
Taking this, yeah. Perfect for Jackie. Nice still.
Il doit manquer des trucs.
Leather belt.
Sort of a memento. His dad's. Used to beat both Jackie and his mom with it.
Ah d'accord.
Until one day, Jackie fought back. Kicked his butt. Told him he'd kill him next time. Old man was hospitalized and then he left.
Why'd he hold on to it?
In case his dad ever comes back.
It's gotta be Jackie's dad.
Old school ganger. Valentino's, of course.
Did you meet him?
No, I only ever heard about him. But he didn't exactly inspire many fond memories.
Ah oui d'accord, c'était pas c'était pas Jean de Jérusalem quoi. Bon on va fouiller ses mails hein, parce qu'on n'a aucun respect. Voiture. Victor. La box, d'accord. Dex, connard. D'accord, les origines du mal. Ok. Bon, je sais pas vous, mais moi pour l'Ofrenda, là, je suis quand même plus chaud pour le bouquin. Hein. Le ballon de basket et la bouteille de picole, je trouve que ça fait un peu léger quand même. Hein. Le bouquin, bon, il y a un truc un peu spirituel, tu vois, il se passe quelque chose. On est en littéraire. S'il y a une manif, on n'est pas en cours. Allez.
Actually, I think I'll stay away. Say bye to him here. Mama Wells wouldn't want me there anyway.
Attends, tout à l'heure, tu disais qu'elle te voulait pas ici. C'est quoi le problème?
What happened between you two? What's the beef?
Let's just say she didn't see me as daughter-in-law material.
What she have against you?
That my name wasn't Camila and I wasn't Jackie's ex-output. Camila was Mama Wells' favorite.
Right.
Ah oui, les vraies embrouilles. Je pense quand même que tu devrais venir, hein.
You gotta come, Misty. You got a right to be there.
I'd rather not get in Mama Well's way. It's for family.
You were family to him.
I guess you're right. Thanks, V. So,
Bah, c'est là-bas.
shall we go?
Attendez, hein, excusez-moi, je me bagarre pour rouler une clope pendant que ça dialogue. Donc, t'as jamais pensé à quitter cette
Ever thought you
ville?
might leave Night City?
Sure. Once upon a time, I even tried.
Seriously? Meaning,
Packed my bags and hopped on a plane to Nepal. Thought I'd stay there. After a week, I realized I couldn't live without the traffic outside my window and my neighbors hollering.
Je peux comprendre ça. Vous sentez que j'essaie de faire un truc correct malgré ma manette de merde avec les petits à-coups là? Je suis désolé, hein, je fais au max. C'est compliqué. Oula, voilà, typiquement. Ok.
Then go raise a glass to him, Padre. A few glasses. It's good you're here. We're about to start. Sit down, please.
hey V.
I thank you all for coming today. I'm not going to tell you what kind of man my son was, or lament about how much I miss him. Instead, I'll tell you a story. When he was about 19 years old, Jackie was in the Valentinos. They were at war with Maelstrom back then. I get a call from the hospital. They tell me he got shot 3 times, just by the heart. He was conscious when I get there. So many tubes coming out of him. He looked like a pulpo, like an octopus or something. He tell me, he said, "No te preocupes, mamá. Look, I'm bulletproof. Nothing bad will ever happen to me." And when I go, he take off his Valentino's ring. He swear he won't need it anymore. But he was not scared. He just didn't want me to worry. Descansa en paz, mi hijo.
Among the membership of the Night City Devils Boxing Club, we had this saying: make your best friends among the fighters who knock you out cold. And it's true. Jackie's arm was a cannon. No one's ever hit me as hard. I can still almost feel it. Rounds, buddy.
Me mandó Camporta. Lamenta no estar aquí. Todavía le quedan 4 años que cumplir. Me pidió que leyera esto. Recuerdo cuando Jackie se nos unió. Era un niño fuerte. Cuando decía que iba a hacer algo, cumplía. Tenía honor. Podría haber llegado lejos. Mis condolencias a la familia. Que descanse en paz.
Anyone else?
Oh, je suis obligé. Je suis obligé.
I often think back to the first time me and Jack met. It all started when he put a heater into my head. Then some badges showed up. Beat the shit out of us both. It's half my fault, half his. hightailed it out together. Half an hour later, we're eating dinner at Mama Wells. Turned out to have more in common than we thought. Principles. Jackie Wells.
Il avait des principes.
An honorable man. Placed principles first and stuck hard to him. Once he set his mind to something, he was ready to die to achieve it. He once told me, go there. The one thing we can't do is be afraid of others.
Voilà. Il était bro. Il était complètement bro.
For his loved ones, he'd sacrifice his life without hesitation. Most importantly,
Il avait peur de rien.
Jackie loved life and had no fear. Heart on his sleeve, he didn't overthink things. He just went for it. Thought he was bulletproof. And that he'd become legend at the afterlife. And ultimately, he did what he set out to do. Shit in the shoes of some powerful people. And if he's watching, I bet just about now, he's flipping them all the bird.
Un enjeu, le livre.
When you go to war as a boy, you have a great illusion of immortality. Other people get killed, not you. Then, when you are badly wounded the first time, you lose that illusion. Rest easy, Chew.
I would like to say a toast. Por mi hijo.
Oui. Jackie.
Thank you for your kind words, V. I'm glad you're here. It was a beautiful ofrenda we gave him.
Oh, tant que ça où va, Mama
A lot
Wallace.
of people come today. Even that putica Jackie was messing around with.
Non mais ça c'était moi ça.
Her name is Misty.
What?
Misty. And she was very important to him. Do you understand? Go. Invite her along for dinner. It's the least she deserves.
You know what? You're a good man. Jackie would want you to have these.
Non. Non, la moto de Jackie.
You sure? Jackie'd kill me if I got so much as a scratch on it.
So don't get any scratches on it.
Oh, c'est merveilleux.
Thank you. I'll take such good care of it.
Cuídate, V.
Mama Wallace. Ah, il faut parler. Oh, attendez, il faut parler à tous nos personnages légendaires. Donc, il faut parler à Papy. Où est Papy?
Campos all torn up.
Papy.
Says he feels like he lost.
Emmène-moi faire du karting.
Wonder if he'll be as torn up after you die.
You here to say goodbye to one of your own? Padre?
Not today.
I'm here to say goodbye to a good man.
Connaissiez-vous Jackie, Papy?
Jackie. Do you know him well?
I remember the day his mother brought him into this world. The day his father left. The day he took him into his home. Yes, V. I knew him quite well.
How are things in the streets?
This is not the place to conduct business.
Ah non, mais c'était pas dans ce sens-là.
Have some respect.
C'était plus toi, ça va? Bon, du coup, tout padré que tu es, Jésus ou pas?
So, Padre, you think Jackie's looking down upon us? From up there?
I believe he has met God, stood before him.
That's it.
I don't know if God left the meeting happy, but I'm pretty certain Jackie did.
I'm gonna move on.
Go with God.
Padre. Ensuite, oui, parler au mec des gangs. Au mec de la street.
Pour you another?
Hey, you!
For Jaquito?
Have a drink with us.
Listening's a skill, you know.
Wells?
Allez.
All right, why not?
To Wells. May he rest in peace.
Bon, mais du coup, vous êtes qui?
I think we might know each other.
Gustavo Horta.
V.
Yeah, I've heard about you. Well, heartfelt condolences, friend. From me, Campo, and all the Valentinos.
Thank you.
Mais vous vous connaissiez d'où? Enfin, je sais qu'il a été Valentino, c'est un moment, mais genre, c'est vraiment un ex-collègue ou c'est un mec dont vous avez entendu parler juste?
How'd you meet Jackie?
We started out together.
In the Valentinos?
No, in the fucking Bible book club. Yeah, I got only good memories of him. Rest easy up there, brother.
Bon, merci.
Good for now, thanks.
See? Gotta know when to stop.
Nah, give me a break.
Laisse-le faire plaisir.
All right, let's go.
Oh, Victor, oui, Victor, son discours sur la boxe, comme toujours, incroyable. Victor. Ah, si j'avais ça comme médecin généraliste, j'irais chez le médecin une fois par semaine.
I'm gonna miss him. I already do.
Me too, Cabron. Me too. Here's to Jackie. Gone off to greener pastures.
Yes.
Jackie Wells.
A proud son of Haywood.
Ah, merci, docteur.
Well, I should mingle, Vic.
Sure. See you later, V.
Je vais te parler au barman. Non, mais Pepe. Pepe.
Need you to focus now, okay?
Non, c'est pas lui le barman.
Lupe's been handling the loss pretty good.
She's a strong.
Comment ça? Attendez. On va se faciliter la vie, hein. J'ai la flemme. Voilà. Ah oui, d'accord. Mais... Ah oui, il fallait s'asseoir.
Pour you another? For Jaquito?
D'accord. Ah oui, bah, je peux répondre grâce à mes origines de ghetto guerrier, je peux répondre ça, donc on va faire ça.
See, the Valentinos haven't forgotten about Jackie.
Days like this, even the meanest motherfuckers pay their respects. Principles. Jackie lived by them. There's what kept him going.
Mais c'est vrai que ce serait bien qu'ils soient en train de boire des shots avec nous quand même. Hein.
Weird being here without Jackie.
Can't shake the feeling I'm gonna turn around and see him sitting at the bar. In his favorite spot, where he always used to sit.
Oh. À ta santé.
For Jackie.
Amen, brother.
Ok.
Have as
Pardon.
many as you want.
Non mais non. Ça m'a juste fait rire. Ok, c'est bon. Merci. Je vous avais dit qu'on jouait RP, hein. Comme dans la vraie vie, tout pareil. Yes. Ah. Ok, voilà. Et voilà, c'était les funérailles de Jackie. Et donc voilà l'émotion bien évidemment, mais je vais pas vous laisser comme ça, on va quand même finir sur un truc un peu stylé. Donc voilà, on a récupéré aussi le fidèle destrier de Jackie. Et regardez-moi ça. Elle arrive, on la voit au virage là. Ok, oui, des fois ça merde un peu. Et maintenant là-bas. Regardez-moi ça. Alors, il se passe pas des choses là peut-être? Écoutez-moi ce bruit. Avec le métal. Et voilà, et comme je vous disais maintenant en moto, on voit Varg. On le voit. Oui. Ok, allez. Ok, merveilleux. Donc voilà. J'ai essayé de fermer ma gueule quand même un maximum pendant les funérailles de Jackie. Mais voilà, on a dit au revoir à notre bro, c'était magnifique, on a picolé avec absolument tout le monde, c'était incroyable. Il nous reste maintenant à aller retrouver Takeshi, qui nous avait sauvé la vie et qui avait assassiné ce connard de Dexter Deshawn. Et bien pour prévoir la suite des événements, mais ce sera dans le prochain épisode. Voilà. Allez, à plus.